All right, this video is on one-step inequalities. Inequality can be solved by following the same steps as equations. The variable must be alone or isolated on one side of the inequality. Isolate the variable by using inverse or opposite operations. Whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other. When you multiply or divide by a negative number, the inequality sign is flipped. So our first equation is n plus 5 is less than or equal to 16. So we're going to subtract 5, and we get n is less than or equal to 11. So n is less than or equal to 11. Let's put 11 and shade it to the right. And 11 plus 5 is 16, and 16 is equal to 16. Number 2, c minus 9 is greater than 14. So we're subtracting, so we're going to do the opposite. We're going to add. And that makes c is greater than 23. I'll put 23 here. An open circle shaded to the right. 12g is less than negative 48. We want the g by itself, so we're going to divide by 12. G is less than a negative 4. So we've got a negative 4, open circle, shaded to the left. 49 is greater than or equal to a negative 7g. So we're going to divide by negative 7. 49 divided by negative 7 is a negative 7. We divided by a negative, so we're going to flip that sign in G. That also can be written as G is greater than or equal to negative 7. So we've got a negative 7, closed circle, shaded to the right. Here we've got P over 3. P over 3 is greater than 9. Remember, that's divide, so we're going to multiply to get rid of it. So we've got P is greater than 27. P is greater than 27. We've got 27, open circle, shaded to the right. So that means all numbers greater than 27. 33 is greater than or equal to x plus 19. Plus 19, so we're going to minus 19. 33 minus 19 is 14 is greater than or equal to x, or x is less than or equal to 14. They're the same thing. So we take 14. Less than or equal to is a closed circle shaded to the left. Number 7, negative 7x is greater than or equal to 35. There we go. We're going to divide by negative 7. And that means x. Flip that sign. 35 divided by negative 7 is a negative 5. Got a negative 5. A closed circle, because it's equal to, includes the negative 5, shaded to the left. X plus 16 is less than 11. Subtract 16, so we're going to add 16. We've got x is less than 27. So we've got 27, an open circle, shaded to the left. 8 is greater than or equal to x plus 10. So we're going to minus 10. We'll do the opposite. We have a negative 2 is greater than or equal to x. We flip that around. X is less than or equal to negative 2. We've got a -2. I'll close that circle in and shade it to the left. The number line below represents the solution sets to which inequality? Shade the correct card below. So we've got, it's going to be x is less than or equal to 4, is what this graph says. So if we do this, 2x is less than or equal to 4. That one is yes. 14 divided by 3.5 is, let me get my calculator. 14 divided by 3.5 is 4, but it's greater than, so it's not that one. 72 divided by 18 is 4, but it's just less than, so it's not that one. And then 60 divided by 15 is 4 also. So it could be that one, those two. All right. Use your understanding for solving inequalities to answer the questions below. Kevin was asked to place a check mark next to any inequality in which x equals 5. So if we put 5 right here, that is 25 less than 25. Twenty-five is not less than 25. Okay, if we put 5 here, 5 minus 3 is 2 is less than or equal to 8. And then this one, 30 is less than or equal to, if we put 5 here, is 30. So that one is, this one is incorrect. Okay. Each of the students below made a statement about the inequality 72 is greater than 8x. Which student made a true statement? You can rewrite the problem to be 8x is greater than 72. That's false, because to rewrite that, it would be 8x is less than 72, so it's not that one. The solution would be x is greater than 9. It's going to be less than, so it's not that one. And 5 is part of the solution set. So if we divide by 8, we get x is less than 9. So 5 is less than 9, so this one would be true. That's one-step inequalities.